How can you transfer your any kind of recorded files from iPad or iPhone to your PC? So it's too much easy. If you are searching that kind of video, you are in the right video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon. So in this video I'm going to teach you how can you transfer your any kind of recorded files from your iPhone or iPad. Then it's too much easy. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So first of all, you have to go into App Store. Okay, in the App Store, just you have to type the Recorder Plus and just you have to search it, and after a few minutes you will get a result, and just you have to download this one, the Recorder Plus. Okay, but I have already downloaded this one inside my iPad, so that's why I'm not downloading this one. So after this, uh, just go to here and open your Recorder Plus, and after this you can record anything else. So now you can see there are lots recorded sound available. So after this, just go to here and you can play lots sound from here, but in this time I don't want to play any kind of music from here. So when you want to send this one, so if you click here, okay, and then from here you can export this one, all the recorded file, into Google Drives or iTunes or also. And from here also, just wait for a moment. From where? Yeah, from here also maybe you can send this one through the email. You can sync inside the iTunes, in the photo album or Facebook. You can directly send it. But in this time I'm going to teach you how can you transfer this one. So just go to the Wi-Fi, and now you can see here is it's giving me a IP address download file, right? So using your computer's browse, you can use any kind of browser, and it's giving me the IP address. And after this, this function requires browser and device on the same Wi-Fi networks. It means I need same Wi-Fi network. If you have connected the both devices in the same network, then in that case it will be very useful. So I'm going to inside my Google Chrome, and I'm using this one. Okay, just wait for a moment, it will take little bit time. And now you can see here it's giving me the all the list, right? So if I want to download this one, so if I click here, now you can see here it's downloading. Now you can see here in the below part there is a just wait for me. If I click here, now you can see here it's telling me that do not lock the screen, and it is downloading right here. So it is one of the easiest method to download your any kind of recorded file from your iPad or iPhone to Windows PC. Hoping that you understand something from this video. If you have still any kind of confusion, let me know in the comment sections. I'll try to answer of your questions. So I'll meet you in another video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.